How to fix Shopee banned device. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up any of your web application and get logged into your Shopee account. Once you're logged into your account, click onto your profile on your right hand side. And from here, click onto My Account. From your left hand side, click onto your profile. Then you have to add your phone number. Click on to Add under phone number and enter your phone number. Once done, click on to Furthermore, and that will fix your problem. Also be noted, adding your phone number is a way of verifying your device for your Shopee account, so most of the time this can fix your problem. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.